In this video, we're going to look at the addition formula and solving cos 165 now, and using the unit circle. In the past, you just put cos 165 degrees into your calculator and get an answer. However, we're dealing with radians. Now, also, looking at your unit circle, you'll notice that we don't have 165 degrees on there. We've got 180, we've got 120. We're in that second quadrant. We're 150 degrees. We're in that second quadrant. But what we do have is we have two angles that add up to 165. So we have that equals cos 120 plus 45, which equals cos 120 cos 45 minus sine 120 sine 45, because 120 plus 45 is 65. So this is where we can use the addition formulas. Okay, now those angles of 120 and 45, we can get those values straight off our unit circle. Now, also, from where I get this addition formula from, if you haven't seen any other videos, is from a video I've done previously, and that shows the addition formula. So we'd go through and we'd solve that. So we'd go cos 120 is minus a half. Cos 45 is 1 on root 2. So that's minus sine 120. Well, that's going to be root 3 over 2. Sine of 45 is 1 on root 2. Okay, so that equals minus 1 over 2 root 2. Take root 3 over 2 root 2 equals minus 1. Take root 3 over 2 root 2. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the surd on the bottom. Depending on what your question asks, you could leave that technically as an answer, but I want you to go further. For example, if I want you to prove something, well, you have to go further. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to times the top and the bottom by root 2. Okay, and that's going to leave me with equal to, well, that's minus root 2, take root 6, because minus 1 times root 2 is root 2, or minus root 2, sorry, minus root 3 times root 2 is root 6, because 3 times 2 is 6. Now we've got 2 times root 2 root 2 multiplied by root 2. Well, root 2 times root 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So that equals minus root 2, take root 6 over 4. And that is your answer. So that's another way you can use the addition formulas for sine and cosine to help you solve angles that aren't easily attained by using the unit circle. Thank you.